Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. FLY&RIDE here. I just took off the DB Killders baffles on this full Akrapovic exhaust in the Pikes peak, and I'm just going to let you listen to that sound of how awesome this full exhaust sounds with those DB Killders removed. I did a video recently, if you haven't seen it, I'm going to leave it up here, that show before and after, just at idle, starting the bike. And you can tell the difference instantly. It's deeper, it's louder. So I assume it's got to sound really good when I give it some gas. This will be the first ride taking you with me without these DB Killders. No talking, just listening to the sound of the exhaust and some pure ASMR on this full Akrapovic exhaust on this Ducati Pikes Peak 2024. Check out this adaptive cruise control. You just set it and it automatically adjusts to the speed of the car in front of you. You gotta love the tech on these Ducatis. Not to mention that amazing sound that you're hearing back there. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. It is super windy out today. It's about, I don't know, 20 to 30 mile an hour winds, gusting up to like 50 or 60. You can tell the traffic lights moving. But I wanted to come out. I just changed out these DB Killders, just removed them, and I wanted to hear what this thing sounds like. And it does not disappoint.